Hey guys, what is up? So, last time I was with you, my 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 shit went out on the floor. So I redid it, wired them in, and how freaking bright that is. Oh yeah. I got that, I've got the front floorboards lit up. There we go, we're back in business. Oh yeah. I just pulled this power cord right here. It's like my switch. We out. So I got that hooked back up. So trippy because I have blue lights and regular lights. Anyways, I had to fix that. So what I did is rip apart one of the box that went. Let me see if I can find it. Hold on one second. So I unsoldered this. This is what went. So, and I have a bunch of them just sitting in this box like this, already ready to go. There's another one. So what I did is I unsoldered them, and all these ones are for these rope lights, those kind of lights right there, right here. So I just unsoldered one of them and soldered it onto a new board. And I'll be honest with you, it's 10 times brighter than the other one. Anyways, I wanted to make a quick video on this. This is it's called security, police security. Check this fucking light out. I gotta go over and turn that fan off. Check out this light, ready? Look at that shit. That is bright. Now watch, I'll make it into a little square. Look how bright that is, man. Holy fuck. I am blown away on how bright it is. It's freaking crazy. Police security. Anyways, you're standing there and be like, hey, what are you doing behind there? It's fucking crazy, man, right here. Ready? Bam! All daylight. Let's go over here where there's no light. Somebody fucking around back there? Ha 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 ha. That's nuts. It's 320 lumen. Alright guys, I am gonna go. I am tired.